So today let us start with part 10 and let us continue the exercise 12.4. We already done some questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So here question number 8. The question is given on the left hand side. The incomes of M and N are in the ratio of 8:7 and the expenditures are in the ratio 5:4. They both save rupees 21,000 every month. What is the income of each of them? So now let us consider the income of MB, that is the ratio is given as 8:7. So we can put here any variable. So here I'll just put here 8K, and the income of N is 7K because it is 8:7. Means this is M and this is for N. And the expenditure is given as 5:4. So expenditure of M, we can say 5x and expenditure of N as 4x. So you know the formula, that is the savings is income minus the expenditure. So here the income when this is M is 8K and the expenditure is 5x. So they said both of them save 21,000. So this is the first equation, 8K minus 5x, that is income minus this expenditure. So this is the saving, that is 21,000. And again for N, that is this is the income and this is the expenditure. So 7K minus this 4x, that is 21,000. So this is equation number 2. So when we subtract this equation, this 2 from this 1, so what do we get? Now we'll write this both equation again. So when we are subtracting, this is minus, here is plus, so this is minus, so minus, so this is plus, plus, so this is going to be minus. So this is going to be K, and this will be minus 5 plus 4, that will be minus x. So this will get cancelled out because 21,000 minus 21,000, that will get cancelled out. So when we rearrange this one, so we get K is equal to, this will go on the other side, that is going to be K is equal to x. So putting K is equal to x in equation 1. So this is the equation 1. So 8K minus 5x is 21,000. So in place of this K, we are going to put x. So 8 as it is, K, because K is equal to x. This as it is, again this is the same. So this will be 3x will be 21,000. So x is going to be 21,000 divided by 3. So x is going to be 7,000. So K also will be 7,000. So they said what is the income of each of them. So income of M, that is given as in the start, because that is 8 is this 8K. So 8 into this K as 7,000. So this will be 56,000, and income of N is 7K. So 7 into 7,000, which is 49,000. So now let us go to the next question here. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:4. If 27 is added to each of them, the ratio becomes 8:7, and you have to find the numbers. So here the ratios are 5:4, two numbers. So here we can take let the numbers be 5x and 4x. If 27 is added to each of them, the ratio becomes 8:7. So here each of them is in the numerator as well as the denominator. So here the 5x, 27 is added to it, divided by 4x, 27 added to it, the ratio becomes 8:7. 8:7 means that is going to be 8 by 7. So now let us cross multiply this one. 7 into 5x plus 27 is equal to 8 into 4x plus 27. So this will be 35x plus 189, 32x plus 216, which is given here. So 35x, this will come on this side, minus 32x. This will be 216 minus 189. So 3x is 27. So x will be 27 by 3, which x is going to be 9. So 5x, the numbers we have considered as 5x and 4x. So 5x will be 5 into 9, that is 45, and 4x is going to be 4 into 9, which is going to be 36. So the numbers are, so you can write separately, therefore the numbers are 45, and this sentence you can add it 36. Now let us see the next question here. Amit bought 18 pens and 6 dozen pencils for rupees 324, and Sumit bought 11 pens and 8 dozen pencils from the same shop for 237. Find the cost of each pen and the cost of 1 dozen pencils. So let pen B, this we'll consider as P and pencils be X. So 18 pens means that is going to be 18P, and means we are going to add it. 6 dozen pencils, so we have considered this as pencils as X, so 6X, that is total is 324. So this is equation number 1. And in the Sumit board, that is 11 pens, so 11P, and this is addition, 8 dozen pencils, so 8X, and that is for 237. So this is equation number 2. So now what will we do? We will see here this number, the coefficient of this and this this is 18 and 11. So here we have to use the elimination method because we need first one variable. So one will be cancelled out of this 2. So here we can directly, because now this is a big number, we can cancel out anything because they said the cost of each pen and 1 dozen pencils. So now we can see this is a smaller number. So here we can do it. Now this is 6 and this is 8. So either of this, either we can eliminate this or this one. But now this is a smaller number. So we can do here, we can take the LCM of 6 and 8, which is going to be 24. So this should be multiplied by 4. And this will be multiplied by 3. So now since this is multiplied by 4, this also should be multiplied by 4. This also should be multiplied by 4. The whole equation should be multiplied by the same number. Now since this is 3, so this also by 3 and this also by 3. So this is going to be now 72, 18 4s are 72p, and this 24x, and this multiplied by 4 means that is going to be 1296. So here it's written multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. Again, this by 3 means 33p plus 24x, that is going to be multiplied by 3 here, so 711. So now you can see this is plus here, so this will be minus, plus, so minus here, plus, so here will be minus. So now look at the new sign. This is plus 24x minus 24x, so this gets cancelled. Now look at here, 72 minus 33, which is going to be 39p, and here 1296 minus 711, which is going to be 565. So P is going to be 5, sorry for this one, this is going to be 85. Because when you subtract this, that is going to be 585. So P is going to be 585 divided by 39. So this will be P is equal to 15. So substituting P is equal to 15 in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. So in place of P, you are going to put 15. This all the same. So this will be 270 plus 6x is 384. So this will be 6x will be the 324. So 324 minus this one will be 270. So 6x will be 54. So x is going to be 54 divided by 6, which is going to be 9. So cost of pen will be, because where cost of pen we have considered that as P, so that is 15 rupees, and the cost of pencils we have considered this as X, so which is going to be 9 rupees. So now let us go to the next question. Mr. Sharma purchased 8 tables and 15 chairs for rupees 5225 for his school from one shop, and 10 tables and 17 chairs from another shop at the same rate for rupees 6225. Find the cost of each table and chair. So let price of table be T and price of chair be C. So here this is for 8T. 8 tables means 80 plus and means plus chairs we have considered C plus 15C, that is given as 5225. This is equation number 1 from one shop, and this is 10T, 10 tables means 10T plus 17 chairs means 17C, that is given as 6225. This is equation number 2. So now what we can see here, we will multiply this one. Now we'll take this, we'll eliminate this, so you can see the coefficients of this are different. So we can take, when we take the LCM of this will be 40. So this will be multiplied by 4. This will be multiplied by 5. So here also by 5, here also by 5, here also by 4, here also by 4. So multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 4 we get. So this is going to be 40T plus this 75, and this is going to be 26125. Again here 40T, 78C, and this will be 24900, which is given over here. So now we can see this is plus, so this is going to be minus, so this gets cancelled out. Again this is plus, so this will be minus, plus, so this is going to be minus. So this will be 7C and this is going to be 1225. So C is going to be 1225 divided by 7, which will be 175. So substituting C is equal to 175 in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. So this is the same. In place of C, we'll put 175. So 80 plus this one 2625, that is 5225. So 80 will be 5225 minus 2625. So 80 will be 2600. So T is going to be 2600 by 8. So T is rupees 325. So cost of table is rupees 325 and chair is rupees 175. The next one, Shaktiman covered a total distance of 670 km by traveling 9 hours by bus and 4 hours by taxi. Meanwhile, Arjun traveled 7 hours by taxi and 8 hours by bus, covering a distance of 785 km. Find the speed of the taxi and the bus if the speeds of the two buses were same and the speeds of both taxis were same. So now let speed of bus be x kilometer per hour and speed of taxi be y kilometer per hour. So it says 9 hours by bus, so 9x plus here and means plus 4 hours by taxi means that is going to be 4y, and that is the distance covered is 670, which is equation number 1. In the equation number 2, it's given 8 hours by bus, so 8x it's given 7 hours by taxi. Arjun traveled 7 hours by taxi, and taxi is y. So they are twisted over here, so we have to be very careful. It's given 7 hours by, not by bus, but by taxi. So taxi is here 7y. So I've written here because here is y. So I wrote here 7y and 8 hours by bus. So this is going to be 8x. So this sentence you have to be very careful here. So covering a distance of 785. So this will be equation number 2. So now let us see here. Now here again the coefficient of this x is different. So now let us multiply this by 8 to make it equal, and this by 9. So this also by 8, this by 9. So after multiplying this, you get these two equations. You can just have a look at it. So here this is going to be minus plus, this is minus plus, so this is going to be minus. So this gets cancelled out. So this is plus 32 minus 63. So minus 31y, and this is minus 1705. Both the side there is minus, so that gets cancelled out. So 31y is 1705. So y will be 1705 divided by 31, which is going to be 55 km per hour. So substituting this one, y is equal to 55 in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. In place of y, put 55. So this is going to be 220, rest all the same. So 9x will be 670 minus this 220. So 9x is 450. So x is going to be 450 divided by 9, which is going to be 50 km per hour. So x we are considered as bus. So speed of bus is 50 km per hour. And this y already we got that was speed of taxi, that is 55 km per hour. So a man covers 88 km by boat traveling 4 hours downstream. He also covers 40 km traveling 4 hours upstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the water. So let speed of boat in still water be u kilometer per hour and speed of water be v kilometer per hour. So downstream speed, whenever there is downstream, we have to put here plus, you have to add it, u plus v, and upstream will be u minus v. So now it's given here. A man covers 88 km by boat traveling 4 hours downstream. So U plus B is going to be, that is the 88 kilometer, it's given here 88 kilometer, and that hours is given as 4 hours. So now you know that is always the speed is calculated kilometer per hour. So this should be divided by 4. So 88 divided by 4. Hope this is clear to you. So now 88 divided by 4, which is going to be 22. So U plus B, that is 22. This will be equation number 1. So in the next case, it is given he also covers 40 kilometer. This is 40 kilometer traveling 4 hours. This is 4 hours. That will be up. That is upstream. So upstream means that is u minus v, which is 40 divided by 4, which is given here. So which will be, after simplifying, we get this as 10. So v minus u minus v, that is 10. So this will be equation number 2. So solving these two equations, so these two equations are given. The same ones are given written down. So here plus v and this one minus v gets cancelled. So this is going to be 2u is 32. So u is going to be 32 by 2, which is going to be 16 kilometer per hour. So substituting u is equal to 16 in equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. So substitute 16 here. So v is going to be 22 minus 16, which is going to be 6 kilometer per hour. So we can say speed of boat in still water is 16 kilometer per hour, because speed of boat of this is u, which is given as 16 kilometer per hour, and speed of water is 6 kilometer per hour. So this, in the question number 14, you can see a boat covers a distance of 45 kilometer going upstream in a river in 4.5 hours and covers a distance of 56 kilometer going downstream in 4 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the water. This is same as question number 13. When here the 4.5 hours is given. So what is it? This is a mixed fraction. So this will be 4 to the, sorry, this will be multiplied. 4 multiplied by 2, that is going to be 8. 8 plus 1 is going to be 9. So that is going to be 9 by 2 hours. Rest all is the same. So you can do it yourself. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Also, don't forget to click on the hype button, which is beside the comment section. Thank you.